What do you find so compelling about jazz, gospel, R&B, blues? You can shout out. Rhythm. Groove. Freedom. Collaboration. Passion.
It's honest. It's honest?
Honest. These are all very true. One of the things that this definition, and this is a definition that as we go through today, and if I have the opportunity to come back and engage with you more, I'm always going to ask you, what's your soul expression? Your soul expression is the unapologetic, passionate communication of who you are, what you believe, and how you feel about it. The unapologetic, passionate communication of who you are, what you believe, and how you feel about it. So when you are singing lyrics, we're talking about the words not just being weighted. I love you. I need you. In this culture, we're talking about the words being loaded. And they're loaded because of historically being in situations where your words are repressed. And therefore, you are conditioned to communicate words without communicating words. There's a scholar that says the difference between country music and blues is that country music uses text, the words, to tell the story. Say, well, I was getting ready to get on my red truck and going all the way down the street. And I went into the car and I went into the grocery store and I felt a little hungry. And so I got me a little piece of chicken. A blues doesn't use text. The blues use emotion to tell the story. So the same story, we go, oh, I'm so tired. We ain't even got to the car. Because it's not about what you're doing, it's about how you feel about what it is you're doing. So if you have a piece of paper or your computer, I want you to think about what is your soul expression. What we're going to learn about black music is functional, it's intentional, and it's convicted. Say functional, intentional, convicted. So everything that you hear about the rhythm, the melody, the content, the context, the improvisation, is intentional.